I got that too. I can still see the imprint on my eyes, and there's another CG right over there, almost instantaneously.
Dude, that is fucking.
I can still see the imprint on my eye.
Seriously. This is the first time I've ever seen lightning like that, Tom.
Really?
Yeah, that's serious.
The most severe part of the storm was done what's qualified as severe, which is damaging winds, hail, and or tornadoes. Now we're just into the rain and the lightning.
Yeah, so it's not quite as bad as it could be.
Because the reason why lightning does not define a thunderstorm as severe is because every thunderstorm has lightning.
Yeah.
And lightning can kill, and if there's a lot of lightning, then, well, it's safe to be indoors or in a car.
Yeah.
James is gonna love this fucking video.
You have to show me, dude.
Yeah. I've been recording video ever since I first started seeing the first thunderclouds today.
Nice, dude. We can check that shit out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Now, were you watching the clouds too when it was coming in? What did they look like to you?
Just like we're talking about, tall, poofy.
What did the base look like?
It looked like it was flat, but the corners of it kind of like rolled over.
So it's probably a shelf cloud, man.
Dude, it was just, it looked like it was like dough being rolled out. Just, it's fucking crazy.
Wow. Oh, the light just, man. That light actually dimmed too.
Did it? Nice.
Yeah. I haven't seen lightning like this in 2 years.
I haven't seen this lightning like this since I was a kid. Oh, there's the light. Lights out. Nice.
Sweet, man.
I wonder why that happened.
Lightning probably hit something. Either that or damaging winds.
Nice. That car is going to be doing the same thing there. Oh, protection. Hide underneath something. That was awesome. Yeah. That street light still hasn't came back on quite all.
It's trying.
Storm chasers up this way to Utah.
There's me, there's my friend Paul in Connecticut. There's some other people who probably chase a little bit around here. I'm probably the biggest storm chaser in this area. It's getting hot in this car, probably just because we're in here.
I don't know if it'd be a good idea to get out or not.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to crack the windows a little bit. Yeah, we can have thunder better too. Put that charger thing.
That's it right here, Tom.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, not a problem. I didn't want to put it on the floor or anything.
Yeah.
Not to fuck with other people's shit too much.
So this thing had a massive updraft zone because it was quite CG over there. I just missed it. It was quite calm, and we had, you know, and then suddenly we get the downburst winds. This had to have been a derecho. Yeah, this is normal outflow winds. All the damaging winds are south of us now.
Pretty much, Claremont's north, so it'd be down towards Keene on that one.
If we tried, we would not be able to catch up with it.
No, because we're so far behind, man.
Yeah. Plus storms travel generally in a straight line. We'd have to be on curvy roads.
Just imagine what this thing's gonna do once it hits the ocean.
It's gonna die.
You think so?
It's more stable air. Unless, well, yeah, more stable air probably.
Comes and goes though, dude.
Yeah, it's just little bursts of.
I still think I might have some life left in it though.
Oh yeah, yeah. The storm is big. We're probably in the stratiform rain area where it's all, most of the rain behind it is more of a layered cloud. Well, all the updrafts are on the front. We're in the downdraft region. We're in the cold pool of the storm. The cold pool is what drives it. What happens is the cold pool produces high pressure that goes towards the low pressure of the updrafts, and that's what pushes the storm along. And it actually forces the warm air up into the storm.
So what one's worse, the downdraft or updraft?
The updraft doesn't do anything except produce tornadoes from time to time. Of course, that's more of a correlation of the updraft and downdraft. The downdraft has rain and strong winds, but I think the main body of the storm, or at least the stratiform rain area, is possibly cools moving in. Plus,
So you think we've already been through the worst?
well, the storm could be going like this, but there could be cells riding along it like this.
Yeah. Well, the thing was when I was watching it, dude, fucking, you could see fucking severe spots going over to the other severe spots, like connecting to make one big huge one.
Yeah. That's what happens. I mean, maybe this storm developed within the course of the evening, but I think we had something developing way up to the north. Who knows? Once I check radar, because it might not be a true derecho, it might just be severe thunderstorms that have developed.
Right.
For tonight. I'm hoping this reaches Rhode Island because I have a friend down there on YouTube who will be really happy about this. He will have all his cameras running. He'll have his audio recorders running, and he'll probably send me some nice emails. I'm gonna be sending him some nice emails. And if this thing hits my friend Paul in Connecticut, he's gonna go crazy too.
All right.
We're all big in the weather, all big in the thunderstorms. Friend in Rhode Island, his name is James.
Yeah.
He's been at it since he was a kid, back in the 1970s.
Nice.
Wow, battery life is getting low. I'm gonna have to stop recording for right now. There, now I'm recording.
Okay, now watch my mouth. I would, but my nose is in the way section. It's a little hard.
Wow, dude. I don't mind my...
I'm just moving everything aside. Oh. That seems pretty decent. Seems a little silly.
Oh wow, the lighting is just incredible with this one. The thunder is just rolling. It's the best storm of the year so far. Oh, man, I was pointing right directly at that. You know what? Just kidding. Did you shoot me?
No shit.
That was funny.
I forgot all about that, Tom. Did you shoot me? Oh, fuck, Tom. You have to remind me of that, man. I forgot all about that.
You know what'd be really cool?
Yeah, okay, I'm safe in the back. I'll duck down just in case a bullet comes flying through. Is that fucking lightning?
Yeah.
flash light.
You're stupid to set that thing with the hatch open. Listen to the thunder. Let's just listen to the storm.